Bros, this is my most favorite part of iQOO Z9s camera experience, the watermarks. Let me explain. First you go to the camera application, then open the settings and watermark, then mode settings. Here you will get so many options, especially compared to something like the Nothing phone, CMF phone 1. CMF has to learn something from phones like iQOO, etc. Firstly, you get specific watermarks for photos and videos. Video watermarks, you get very few options, but then you get options. That's the main part. In the photo watermark, you can choose text. This is basic stuff available in almost every phone. This is a bit more, what we say, fancy. You can choose the border color and stuff. And here, the artistic signature is the most interesting part. You can choose signatures of your own. You can type. You can, like if I type JT Jones, I can choose the font that I want. Or I can even draw. उल्टा हो गया यार. Anyways, I can choose the watermark layout. Again, these are basic stuff. This is my most favorite part, the custom border one. If I go to the settings, I can choose the blur option, like the ones available here, or I can choose the color palette one. Those available on Realme phones, Oppo phones, BBK electronics in general. Or again, I can choose the basic one. Anyways, I want the blur one. And here you can choose the photo image, like I want my image to be here. I can also select more images, like if I want the image of my duck, I can choose that as well. Anyways, I will be choosing mine only. Of course, here also you can change the signatures, border type, etc. TLDR is that you get so many options with iQOO Z9s camera watermark.